how to get Twitch Drop for free without playing yourself. So let me tell you guys, you can earn Twitch Drops AFK on mobile using the official app's audio only mode or background play settings, allowing watch time to progress while your phone is locked. Now to set up AFK Drops, what you have to do is go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to Twitch connection settings. Now go to the website and then link your game account like Riot, Epic or Steam before starting. Now once you do that, open the Twitch mobile app and then find a live streamer playing the target game with the drop enabled tag. Then tap on a live stream, then tap the gear icon in the video player window at the top right corner of your screen, then select audio only so it does not stream heavy video data, or just go to your app account settings, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now go to its settings at the top left corner of your screen. Now open preferences and set continue playing audio in background to always. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.